Hi to everyone. In this movie I want to share with you a part of my previous experience in the first HoverGames challenge. Here I will show you two ways to improve the design of the HoverGames drone. Okay, the first approach that I will show to you shortly, I recommended it mainly because it will considerably shorten the repairing time after a crash. The second approach will be mainly help you to have a cleaner design. There are two recommended arrangements for the system ESCs. This is one of them and the second one. But in a crash or in a hard landing, the landing gear connectors are the first one that will break. This is one of them and the second one. If the first one is very easy to replace, with the second one will be problems. You must first to remove these 4 screws. Okay, up to now there are no problems to build yourself one of the landing gear connectors. You have 3D models here and here, and from this point it is very easy to have one or more of these. Like in my case where I built several of them. Here I want to make a short mention. After several attempts, I recommend you to use ASA as a filament. It is great for outdoor application and has a higher impact resistance. Now you have upper landing gear connectors and you must install them. But if you are using the recommended approach to place the ESCs, you must first remove the upper plate and you must remove all of these screws here, 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 and so on. And after this step, you must remove these 2 ESCs in order to have access to the landing gear screws. A lot of work and a lot of wasted time. My proposal is to place the ESCs in this position, and in this mode all the screw of the landing gear connectors, these 4 and these 4, will be uncovered. You can use some zip ties to strap the ESCs to the bottom plate, or you can also use double-sided foam tape to fix the ESCs, or you can use both methods. Here you can see that you have plenty of vertical space to place the ESCs in this mode, one to be above another one. You also must be very careful to be able to see the holes for the screw used to mount the arms in each corner. Here, here, these holes, these holes, these holes, and so on. So make sure do not cover them with the ESCs, and also you must see the screws used to fix the landing gear connectors. These 4 and these 4. Mainly this is our final goal. When you will mount the upper plate using these holes, these 4 holes from the left part and these 4 holes from the right part, you'll be able to access the screw of the landing gear connectors without any problem. Like here, in this image, like here, and so on. And now the conclusion. Right now, in order to replace the upper landing gear connector, this will be very easy for you, and you are not required to remove the drone upper plate. Here you see another lateral view and the final image. you will see the ESC's placement and the ESC PDB connection. This ESC, the black wire is connected here and the red wire is connected here. For this ESC, you have black wire and red wire and so on. Okay, this was the first improvement, and now we'll go to the last HoverGames drone design proposal that is related to the PDB placement. The classical approach to mount the power distribution board is like in this picture or in this picture. For an easy wear management, I propose the following way to mount it. The PDB will be placed upside down. The only problem that arises is a need to detach this wire, red and black, pass the connector through this hole or to another hole, and finally you must solder these wires back to the PDB. Now we will see the final mount from different point of view. Here, here, and here. And the final image where you can see a comparison between the two approaches. Thank you very much. This was all. If you liked this movie, please press the like button, or why not, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.